Universal Impact Technologies, the innovator of the skid steer mounted drop hammer, introduces the HD3700 Hurricane. The HD3700 Hurricane is the hardest hitting breaker in its class, and with tough, thick concrete is capable of producing almost 4,000 foot-pounds of punishing force, and can mount to a 1,500-pound capacity skid steer loader or a 16,000-pound excavator. The versatile HD3700 mounts to most skid steers and can generate a braking force equal to that of a conventional hammer mounted to a 20-ton excavator. The Hurricane is high production destruction. The Hurricane utilizes a broad, flat braking tip delivered directly to the target with almost 4,000 foot-pounds of punishing force per blow. Couple this with the ability to deliver this blow at 30 times a minute, and there's only one way to describe the aftermath: high production destruction. Typical driveway or sidewalk depth is 4 to 6 inches, and these applications to the HD3700 are capable of breaking up to 5,000 square feet per hour and can break 18 to 20-inch non-reinforced concrete. The Hurricane's simple design and rugged high strength, combined with impact-resistant steels, results in one tough breaker. Even with curbing being up to 12 to 14 inches thick, this is no match for the hard-hitting power of the Hurricane. The hammer weight is manufactured from one solid piece of steel to ensure many hours of uninterrupted braking. There are no high-cost hammer points to replace due to high-speed pecking, which causes fatigue or points broken due to prying or pushing. There are no internal parts, such as accumulators or pistons, to fail that result in very costly rebuilds. The Hurricane never has to be resealed or gas accumulators to be recharged, and will never lose any of its impact energy unless gravity happens to change. The only lubrication the Hurricane requires is a small amount to the drop weight itself every 200 working hours. The low flow rate of 8 to 10 GPM at 2,500 PSI puts minimal strain on the carrier's hydraulic system. The Hurricane attaches easily to the skid steer loader and was designed with the ease and comfort of the operator being of the utmost importance. The hydraulically driven chain simply lifts the braking weight and releases it, allowing the weight to free fall by gravity onto its intended target, and with a 2-position mounting bracket can be utilized on cab-type skid steer loaders without obstructing the door. The system is simple. The skids are kept on the concrete surface to essentially ground the high impact blow as the Hurricane goes through its cycles. The Hurricane is manufactured with a patented impact dampening system that isolates the frame from the ground engaging skids. The shock is dissipated through the skids where it leaves the carrier virtually shock-free, and in addition, dampening elements have been placed on the fasteners that secure the easily replaceable ground engaging skid system to the frame as backup in the event the machine is dry-fired or the skids are inadvertently not secured to the ground. Careful attention was given to see that the operator has an unobstructed sight line where the hammer weight makes contact with the material being broken. As the braking cycle runs automatically, the operator needs only to maneuver the skid steer to see that each impact counts. After the material is broken to its desired size, removal and loadout is made simple because the Hurricane thoroughly breaks the material from top to bottom, as opposed to only punching holes in it where additional braking may be necessary during the cleanup phase of the job, allowing trucks to be loaded more completely. The Hurricane will put more impact energy at a faster rate into the slab than any similar breaker in its class. So remember, the next time you have a concrete slab to break, put that job in the eye of the storm with a Hurricane from Universal Impact Technologies.